As part of the heating system at Baltimore's Youth Detention Center broke, advocates say youth inside have been dealing with inhumane conditions and the state isn't acting fast enough to fix it. WJZ is live tonight. Our Dennis Valera is on your corner downtown. And Dennis, repairs should be done by the end of the week.
Nikki, the agency in charge, the Department of Public Safety and Correctional Services, says it's ordered a part that should be arriving today. I haven't been able to confirm, though, if it has. Now, the heating system failure, it's impacting some housing units as well as the facility's gym. Advocates say these juveniles wouldn't even be going through this if the state didn't have the ability to automatically charge them as adults.
As cold as it's been outside, inside the Youth Detention Center on Greenmount Avenue, advocates say temperatures have dropped to dangerous levels since part of the heating system stopped working.
Baltimore City schools make the determination that if it's 60 degrees, we close schools. So we have a situation here where the temperatures drop, and yet we are giving excuses as to why that is acceptable.
State Public Defender Natasha Dartigue and members of the Maryland Youth Justice Coalition say juveniles have been dealing with these conditions for weeks. DPSCS says no one has had any temperature-related medical issues and that blankets, warm clothes, and space heaters have been provided. In a statement, DPSCS Secretary Carolyn Scruggs says in part, "Our focus has been maintaining safe, stable conditions while moving as quickly as is legally and logistically possible to complete this repair." But Dorian Johnson, a union leader representing workers in Scruggs' agency, says structural concerns at the YDC and other facilities are often ignored.
These requisitions often get cast aside. Unapproved, unfunded. We have been dealing with structural problems for years. YDC is especially an unfortunate example at one of the newest facilities in the state.
Advocates Monday also pushed for state lawmakers to end the practice of automatically charging juveniles as adults, since those are the kind of juveniles at the YDC. Right now, juveniles as young as 14 can be charged as adults for serious crimes like murder and rape, but as many as 33 charges starting at 16.
Tell them that rehabilitation works. Punishment alone does not. Tell them what happened at YDC is what happens when we treat children as adults, when we abandon them, when we neglect them.
Now, DPSCS says it has staff conducting hourly temperature checks in the affected areas inside of that facility. Last month, a state juvenile justice commission did recommend the end of automatically charging juveniles as adults. Reporting live on your corner downtown, I'm Dennis Valera for WJZ.
All right, Dennis, thank you.